Smiling Draws. Welcome all, this is Anu. Today we are going to draw Santa Claus and a little boy who is receiving gift from our Santa. Now we are drawing Santa's hat. Do you know Santa wears red hat with white fur. Santa covers his head with this hat. We all know Santa's hair is white in color. Now we are drawing Santa's beard. Santa's eyebrows are white in color. Santa has a red nose. Look, Santa is started to watch our drawing. Now we will draw Santa's outfit. You know Santa wears a red coat. And white fur-cuffed red trousers. Santa wears a black leather belt. Now we are doing the gift box. Let's darken the outline. Now we are drawing the little boy who is ready to receive gift from our Santa. Little boy also wears hat matching with our Santa's. Santa Claus is also known as Saint Nicholas and Father Christmas. Santa Claus is originally a devoted Greek Christian bishop from 4th century. The Santa Claus that we know is evolved from a character of Saint Nicholas. Christmas celebrations are also associated with the magical figure of Santa Claus. It is believed that Santa Claus, who lives in the North Pole with his many helper elves, rides on his sleigh on Christmas Eve to deliver gifts to children all around the world. The traditions related to Santa Claus are all about magic, joy giving, and happiness. Red color. Let's paint Santa's hat with red color.
School one day, it followed followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and
Let's
play,
paint
laugh and
boy's
play,
hat
laugh and play.
also with
Made the
red color.
children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it
Let's
out.
color
And so the
Santa's
teacher
coat.
turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Santa wears white fur cuffed red trousers.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's color boy's trouser also with red.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two.
He is wearing red shoes.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Black color. Santa wears a black leather belt.
Hickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three. Fiddly-dee,
Let's color boots with brown color.
tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck four.
Red color. Red color to paint remaining parts of the coat.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's start coloring gift box.
The hen pecked
Sky blue color.
the clock struck six. Oh, fiddle six. Hickory dickory dock,
Red color.
tick tock,
If movies and books are
tick tock.
to be believed, Santa Claus is supposed to enter the house through chimneys or windows and leave the gifts to children under the Christmas tree on the eve of Christmas. Let's give silver color to the ends of Santa's beard, hair, hat, mustache, coat and trouser.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put
It looks more good when you give silver color, isn't it? Let's give green color to the gloves. Yellow color. Let's color boys coat with yellow color.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men
Orange color to the hair.
together again.
Let's color mouth with red color. Skin color to color the face. vermilion color to get a reddish look on the face.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
See, our Santa and the little boy is ready now. See, Santa is going to give gift to the little boy. Happy Christmas to all. See you all on next video. Take care all.